Struggling to find the perfect camping stove? With so many options, it can be a daunting task to pick the right one for your outdoor adventures. We've done the hard work for you, testing countless models to bring you the top 5 best camping stoves of 2024. In this video, we'll break down their key features and help you understand what to consider when choosing the best one for your needs. From fuel efficiency to portability, we've got you covered with our list of the very best. Let's dive in. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Eureka Ignite. The Eureka Ignite 2-burner camping stove is a versatile cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Crafted from durable aluminum, this stove combines rugged construction with lightweight portability, weighing just 10 pounds and measuring 18.5 inches in length, 12.8 inches in width, and 4 inches in height. Its compact size makes it ideal for small groups and camping trips where space is limited. Powered by liquefied petroleum gas, the Ignite stove delivers a maximum energy output of 2,930.71 watts, providing ample heat for cooking various meals. Each of its 2 burners generates 10,000 BTUs of heat, offering precise flame control through 2-turn simmer adjustments. This feature allows users to achieve anything from a gentle simmer to a full flame, catering to different cooking needs and preferences. Ease of use is enhanced by a convenient push-button igniter, ensuring quick and hassle-free starts without the need for matches or lighters. The stove is capable of running for up to 90 minutes per canister at maximum flame, providing extended cooking sessions on a single fuel refill. Maintaining cleanliness post-meals is easy due to the stainless steel drip tray, which not only gathers spills but also guarantees long-lasting resistance to rust. The stove's sturdy, thick-gauge steel build additionally boosts its durability, ensuring dependable performance for years in outdoor settings. For added versatility, the Ignite stove features JetLink compatibility, enabling connection to other Eureka stoves. In summary, the Eureka Ignite 2-burner camping stove combines durability, performance, and convenience into a compact package, making it an essential piece of equipment for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Number 4. Coleman Classic 2-in-1. The Coleman Classic burner stove offers a versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing users to utilize both the grill and stove simultaneously. Made from alloy steel, the product dimensions are 25.5 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, with a weight of 14.9 pounds. It is gas-powered, running on gasoline. Key features include 2 independently adjustable burners for precise temperature control, supported by perfect flow pressure control and perfect heat technology to maintain steady heat with less fuel. The improved knob rotation enhances simmer control, and wind block protection shields the burners and flame from wind. Cleaning is made easy with a removable grease tray, and the rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop ensures durability. The push-button Insta-Start ignition provides automatic, matchless lighting, and the stove delivers 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power. The grilling area is 130 square inches, and the stove can accommodate one 10-inch pan. The burn time is up to 1 hour on high with one 16 ounces propane cylinder, which is sold separately. Note that the product contains aluminum and PTFE. The item comes with a 3-year limited warranty and includes the stove and a grill or griddle plate. The black-colored stove is designed for unisex adult use and has dimensions of 23.6 by 15.1 by 5.9 inches when packaged, with a package weight of 6.76 kilograms. Overall, the Coleman Classic burner stove is a durable, versatile cooking solution with precise controls and easy cleaning, making it ideal for outdoor cooking enthusiasts seeking reliability and convenience. Number 3. Camp Chef Everest 2X. The Camp Chef Everest 2X is a versatile and portable cooking appliance designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. With its robust construction and practical features, this stove is well suited for camping trips, outdoor excursions, and backyard cooking. This stove boasts 2 burners, each delivering 10,000 BTUs of cooking power, allowing users to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether you're cooking breakfast on one burner while boiling water on the other, the dual burner setup is particularly beneficial for families or groups, ensuring meals are prepared quickly and efficiently. Constructed from durable alloy steel, this stove is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its compact design, along with a folding lid, makes it easy to transport and store. When not in use, the lid folds down to protect the burners and can also serve as a windscreen when cooking, ensuring consistent heat distribution and performance in various weather conditions. Measuring 27 inches long, 15.5 inches wide, and 8.25 inches high, and weighing 15 pounds, the stove is designed for portability without compromising on functionality. functionality. Adding to its convenience, this stove includes an adapter for a 1-pound propane cylinder, making it ideal for camping trips where space and weight are considerations. The adapter allows for quick and easy connection to the fuel source, so users can start cooking without hassle. The stove is powered by liquefied petroleum gas and is designed to meet the needs of unisex adults. Overall, the Camp Chef Everest 2X stove offers robust, efficient outdoor cooking, ideal for camping and backyard use, with its powerful burners, durable design, and portability, making it a reliable choice. Number 2. Primus Kinjia. The Primus Kinjia camping stove offers a practical solution for travelers who need a lightweight and compact cooking appliance without sacrificing performance. Weighing in at just 8.2 pounds, this stove is notably lighter and more compact than most two-burner stoves on the market. Its dimensions of 18.7 by 11.6 by 3.1 inches make it easy to pack and transport, perfect for camping and hiking trips. The stove's dual burners, each with an output of 10,200 BTU or 3,000 watts, allow users to cook multiple pots at different temperatures simultaneously, providing a versatile cooking experience. Designed with convenience in mind, the Primus Kinjia features a wood-trimmed handle that locks the stove closed, ensuring it is easy to carry. The spring-action locking mechanism keeps the regulator securely in place during transport. Additionally, the stove includes removable stainless steel pot supports and a stainless steel drip tray, both of which facilitate easy cleaning after use. These thoughtful design elements enhance the stove's overall usability and practicality. This stove is designed for unisex adults and comes in a multicolored finish. The brand Primus is well regarded for its durable and efficient outdoor equipment, and this stove is no exception. It includes the Kinjia component, enhancing its functionality. It has a package weight of approximately 4.22 kilograms, making it a portable and convenient option for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Primus Kinjia camping stove is an ideal choice for travelers seeking a lightweight, compact, and versatile cooking solution, perfect for camping and hiking, with a durable and user-friendly design. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Base Camp. The Jetboil Genesis stove is a robust outdoor cooking solution designed to meet the needs of camping and hiking enthusiasts. Featuring a dual-burner design, it can function as a standalone stove or be coupled with other Jetboil stoves via JetLink compatibility, offering flexibility in outdoor culinary setups. With dimensions of 9.8 inches in length, 9.8 inches in width, and 4.6 inches in height, and weighing 6.2 pounds, the Genesis is compact and portable, fitting easily into small spaces and backpacks. Fueled by propane, the stove achieves a peak power output of 2,930.71 watts, which is equivalent to 10,000 BTU, enabling rapid boiling of water in slightly over 3 minutes. This efficiency is invaluable for outdoor activities like melting snow or brewing coffee, crucial for adventurers facing diverse conditions. Designed specifically for use with Jetboil's adaptable cookware range, such as the Jetboil fry pan and 5-liter flux pot, it ensures seamless compatibility and maximized cooking performance. The Genesis includes features like an attachable windscreen, which enhances its performance by shielding the flames from wind, thereby improving efficiency in challenging weather conditions. Its efficient folding design further enhances its usability, making it convenient to store and transport. The stove comes with a system-carrying bag that includes a pocket for the regulator, accommodating a standard 16.4-ounce propane bottle. In conclusion, the Jetboil Genesis stove is a highly efficient and versatile choice for outdoor cooking, offering robust performance, compact portability, and seamless integration with Jetboil's cookware lineup. In conclusion, each stove reviewed offers unique features catering to diverse outdoor cooking needs. The Eureka Ignite excels with its durable build and high heat output, perfect for versatile outdoor use. The Coleman Classic impresses with its dual functionality and reliable performance, ideal for camping enthusiasts. The Camp Chef Everest stands out for its robust design and efficient dual-burner setup, ensuring hassle-free cooking in any environment. The Primus Kinjia combines lightweight portability with strong performance, making it a great choice for backpackers. Lastly, the Jetboil Genesis excels with its compact design and compatibility, offering efficiency and flexibility for outdoor adventurers.